Hello everyone, welcome to our channel that is Solid Master. So today we will make our new sketch, new geometry in AutoCAD 2017 English version. So as you see here, we have created our new geometry here. In this I will show you how to use the array command like this. In this I will show you how to use this polar array. Because of this use, I have make here some pattern like this hexagonal nut pattern, and here I have given the dimensions so that you can easily practice here. So let's go to make it. I will choose here new template, select here open, and first of all press here UN command, that is units. So I will press enter, and here take the precision as 0.0. OK. Now enter Z, enter A, enter. This is our Z means zoom and A means all, so that you can easily zoom in and zoom out the graphics area of AutoCAD 2017 version English. Now press here C, enter, that is circle. Here it shows in our command bar that specify center point for circle. So I will choose here this point, and here it shows the radius, so I will enter R. No, already by default R is selected. So first we will give our first circle, that is 400 radius. Again we will choose here circle, so go to circle, make here 400 radius circle, enter. Actually here we have to place some limits so for our graphics area. So I will type here LIMT, that is limits, so that we can place our graphics area easily. I will put here 0,0, enter, and here it shows me the upper right corner like this. So I will put here 527, 420, enter. Now the circle we have created here. Now again create circle, so for that I will choose here C, enter, that is circle, and select the start point, that is center point of this circle. Select the start point and go to diameter, that is D, enter, and make here 610 mm diameter of the circle. Now if you want to make this as a construction line, so select here this circle, right click, properties, and if you want to change the color you can change it. Here you can see we have not loaded our center line circle. So type here LINT, select here load, and select here center, OK. Again go to load, select here center 5x, OK. Again go to load and select here this center 2x. Okay. Okay. Now again I will select this circle. Select here, right click, and here you can see the properties. So click on this properties. Here you can see our general properties that we have made here, like color I have chosen from my side, and here line type will be center. Now you can see our center has applied here. So click OK and close it here. So as you see here, our circle means that is made from construction line, that you can see center line of circle. Now from inside take another circle. So I will choose C, enter, that is circle, and choose here center point and make radius 400 mm red eye. Now again choose here circle, select here this center point and make 400 mm red eye. No, it is not applied here yet, so I will choose here circle again, and this time I will make 200 mm radius of circle. Yeah. Now here I will make hexagonal nut here. So I will choose here polygon, select here polygon like this, and number of sides will be 6 mm. Number of sides will be 6. Enter. And here select this quadratic point like this, and here enter an option like inscribe circle or circumference circle. Inscribe circle means the circle which is created in hexagon. It will create on center point of hexagon. And circumference means it will create the circle outside the hexagon points of circle. So I will choose here inscribe circle here. As you see here, we have create here our hexagon like this. So dimension will be 64 mm from each side. Select here this circle, select here this circle, right click on it, properties, select here color like yellow, and select here this line type. Close this circle. Now if you want to pattern here, you can choose here array like polar array. Select here this hexagon nut and this inner scribe circle, right click on it, and now it shows me in command bar specify the center point of array. So I will choose here this point like this. See, it creates my 6 circle items in item box. Here you can see the number of count. I have typed here 6. So it creates the 6 hexagon nut. Close it. Now our geometry is created. If you want to give the dimension, you can give it, but first of all we will set our dimensions properly so that it will look nice. So press here DIMS, that is dimension style, enter. Here you can see our dimension style manager has dialog box has appeared. Now go to modify and make here arrow as 40, enter, and here text height will be 45, enter. Now you can see the preview how this will look, how this will look. Now go to here primary units and select here 0.0, that is 1 digit 0. Okay, and here go to set current, that we have already selected, like ISO 25. Okay, now select here diameter dimension. I will choose this. This will create automatically. If I choose radius, then it will show me radius, and if I choose diameter, then it will show me diameter of any arc or any circle. So I will choose here radius. I will select this one at a time. Like this it will show me. Yeah. Or if you want to make this as diameter, you can select here this. Okay. Now select here linear. Select here this point and this. Now our geometry has completed here, and we have given all the dimension. So if you liked our channel, then please subscribe our channel for more interesting projects in AutoCAD, SolidWorks and PTC Creo. So thanks for watching it. Stay blessed.